Hong Kong has met 2010 emission reduction targets jointly set with the Guangdong government, although volatile organic compound emission reduction targets for the Pearl River Delta Economic Zone were not fully met. This was mainly because the zone's socio-economic development has far outpaced the originally anticipated growth rate. The major pollutants in Hong Kong in 2010 were nitrogen oxides and sulfur dioxide. The government aims to reduce their emissions by 10% and 25% in 2015. To achieve these targets, the government will implement some key measures, including phasing out highly polluting commercial diesel vehicles, retrofitting Euro 2 and Euro 3 franchised buses with selective catalytic reduction devices, and requiring ocean-going vessels to switch to using low-sulfur fuel while at berth.
Since this September, we have already launched an incentive scheme to encourage ocean-going vessels to switch to the use of low-sulfur diesel when they are berth in Hong Kong waters. By doing so, these ocean-going vessels can reduce half of the port fee reductions from the Marine Department. We hope that this will be a financial incentive for motivating more shipping companies to go for green shipping.
The major pollutants in the Pearl River Delta Economic Zone in 2010 were volatile organic compounds and nitrogen oxides. Approximately 900,000 tons of each were emitted. The government aims to reduce the emission of these two pollutants by 10% and 18%. Guangdong will also implement emission reduction measures, including monitoring major enterprises' use of organic solvents, requiring thermal power plants to install low nitrogen oxide and denitrification systems, and promoting the conversion of oil-fired generating units into gas. The two sides will carry out a review in 2015 to assess the state of socio-economic development at the time and emission reduction progress, and will then finalize emission reduction targets for 2020.